SHPIR on Earth speed.
Great.
Scoop and did.
What is this? What are you doing?
I'm digging up the road. Okay, time for the dog.
What are you doing?
Digging up the road.
What is this in your hand?
It's sand. I'm pumping this in, and the road is going to be clear and nice.
All right.
A big. Oh, let's go. This is a skater, and this is Boomsay, and this is this is the wheel loader, and this is the dump truck.
All right.
Excavator. Boomsters.
Okay.
Wheel loader.
All right.
Dump truck. Do your job. These are construction vehicles.
Okay.
Mama, do you see that? Mama, the plane put the sand on the booster say.
Yeah, I saw that. Is that funny?
Yeah, that's fun. It was a little bit of funny.
Arshvi, do you like Blippi? Who are you today? Are you pretending to be Blippi?
Yeah.
Who are you? What's your role model? Who are you today? Two, three.
I'm tempting to be a lippy today.
All right. Can you look into the camera?
I'm tempting to be a lippy today.
Great.
Hey, Dirt, see you later. Hey, Mr. Dump Truck, what's in your truck? I bet you could guess with a little of luck. What do you think is inside the truck? I can help out if you're feeling stuck. Dirt, that's dirt. Dirty dirt, that's dirt. Dirt, that's dirt. Dirty dirt, that's dirt. Hey, Mr. Dump Truck, what's in your truck? I bet you could guess with a little of luck.